Welcome to MPPS EC Notes channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it. Today I am gonna discuss a histological feature of ovary. The ovaries are the female gonads responsible for the formation of ova. Histological features of ovaries are: it is covered by a cuboidal epithelium. Deep to the epithelium, there is a layer of connective tissue that constitute the tunica albuginea. The substance of the ovary has an outer cortex in which follicles of various sizes are present, and an inner medulla consisting of connective tissue which contain numerous blood vessels. Just deep to tunica albuginea, many primordial follicles, each of which containing a developing ovum which is surrounded by a flattened follicular cells, are present. Large follicles have a follicular cavity surrounded by several layers of follicular cells. The cells surrounding the ovum constitute the cumulus oophorus. The follicle is surrounded by a capsule which is formed by a condensation of connective tissue. The capsule consists of an inner cellular and outer fibrous part. The inner cellular part is called theca interna and outer fibrous part is called theca externa. Collectively, these are called as theca folliculi. This theca folliculi is surrounded by stroma, which is made up of reticular fibers and fusiform cells. This is a histological diagram of ovary. In this diagram, you would be able to see cortex and medulla. You can see the various sizes of follicles in cortex, which are primordial follicle, primary follicle, secondary follicle, etc. You could also see Graafian follicle there. And also corpus albicans in cortex. In medulla, you are able to see blood vessels in this histological diagram. Thank you.